Today we will be studying the topic reflection. Here reflection is the same thing as to what we have studied in light chapter, that is reflection by a plane mirror. I have a point here named as P2, 4. Now I will be reflecting it on the x-axis. So x-axis will act like a mirror. So object distance will be equal to image distance. So P dash is the image of P. P has a coordinate 2, 4 and this point now has x value 2 and y value as -4. So we get it as 2, -4. So it means you can check here that x value remains the same and the sign of y has got changed. So that's why we represent it here in the first one as px, y reflected on the x-axis gives us p dash. X remains as x and y sign has been changed to -y. Now when we reflect it on the y-axis, okay, this becomes the mirror. So on reflecting, I get this point P2, 4 as P dash dash -2, 4. So you can see y value has remained the same, x sign has got changed. So we represent it in this way then. The second one, Px, y reflected on the y-axis gives you P dash, that is -x, y. Now I am reflecting this point P on the origin. So this distance from point P to origin has to be equal to the point P triple dash to origin, and so the point comes here. Now this point has x value as -2 and y value as -4. So it is -2, -4. So you can see sign of both of them have got changed here. So that is what, when we have to reflect it on in the origin, if it is px, y, reflection on the origin will give you p triple dash, sign of both have been changed, -x, -. Now we will be reflecting it on a line which is parallel to the x-axis. This line is parallel to the x-axis and it is at a distance a from the x-axis. So the equation of that line will be written as y equals to a. So now this point P will be reflected on this line. So I will get the image coming as object distance equals to image distance will be this point Q. So Q has x value 2 here and y value -2. So I get 2, -2. So by looking at this graph, I can mark it as 2, -2. But by without graph, what formula comes here goes like this. Px, y reflected on y equals to a will give you q, x will remain the same and y value you will get by -y plus 2a. -y means this value is of y, so minus of this 4 and y equals to a. A has what value here? It is passing through 1, so a will be 1, so it is y equals to 1. So I wrote here example P2, 4, y equals to 1. It means a value is 1. So this point x remains as 2, okay, and then this y value here is 4, so it becomes -4 plus 2 into 1, that is this one, because a value is 1, so the formula says 2a, so 2 into 1. So -4 plus 2 into 1 gives you -2, and that is what the point was here, that was q2, -2. Now we will be seeing when we are reflecting on a line which is parallel to the y-axis. So this is the line I have drawn which is parallel to the y-axis. It is at a distance b from the y-axis, so its equation will be written as x is equals to b. So this point now P, which is 2, 4 reflected on this line, gives you this coordinate, this point which has a coordinate of x as -8 and y as 4. Okay, so this is -8, 4. Now how do we get that? So we have a formula for that. Px, y when reflected on the line x equals to b will give you the point R, where -x, that is minus of this x, plus twice of b, that is whatever value will be b here, okay, and y will remain the same. So over here if you see, it is passing, this line is passing through -3. So the equation of this line will be x equals to -3. So b value is -3. So the point P 2, 4, when reflected on this line x equals to -3, we get this r. So -2 written because the formula says -x. So this is 2 here. So -2 plus 2b. So b value is -3. So plus 2 into -3. And y value as 4 remains the same. So this on solving gives you -8, 4. And the value here also, this coordinate had come as -8, 4. These are the 5 different ways by which we will be required to do the reflection. Thank you.